If your toilet bowl handle is loose like this, then you need this to replace it. This is the FLUIDMASTER Perfect Fit Toilet Tank Level. Easy installation, it fits most brand, and this one is just out of placement, it's broken. So I'll show you what it looks like from inside. So basically you have this lever, and it's supposed to turn and lift this. When it turns, it lifts this, that's what opens up your toilet. So we're gonna take out this old one. So the way to take it out is easy. You don't really need to turn off the water. You just have to push this pin down and slide this out. So we're gonna push this pin down here and slide this little latch out. See? Slide it out. And you don't want this to just fall down on the bowl because it'll get dirty. You can just latch it on right here for now, just so that it doesn't fall down. So just latch it there and let the water fill in. Don't worry about the water. So this one, you're gonna use a tool to loosen, or if it's already loosened, you can just turn it. I would have tightened this a little bit more, but anyway, this one right here, just turn this. You may need a tool to open this. It's just a little pair of pliers. So maybe a plier like this. If it's tight, you can loosen that. And we'll use a plier to tighten the new one to make sure it's tight. So we'll take this thing out right here, and you'll see how the lever is very simple. So here comes out the lever, just like that. And we'll see where it's broken. Yeah, see, there's a little piece of plastic that's broken inside right there. It might be hard to see, so let me actually take out this bolt so you can see a little bit better that plastic that's broken. So as I take out this bolt, there you go. You can see that plastic piece there, it broke off. So that's why we need to replace the whole thing. So out goes the old one, and the trick about the new one is you may want to match the handle. Like if it's chrome, you may want to buy the same one as chrome, or if you want to change it to like nickel or whatever you want, you can change it. So this is the old set. We'll put this away because we don't need this anymore. So once you take the lever out of the packaging, you're wondering, okay, so this lever doesn't look like it even fits because my hole is over here, and then this is not in the right direction. Well, this is a universal, so it does everything. So first and foremost, this thing can twist. Just use some force and twist it like that, and now it's in this orientation. So that's pretty good. But if you remember, the level for the handle for us was actually on this side, and you push down here to activate it, not in here. That's okay too, because this point right here, you can pull it out and adjust it. So with a little force, you're gonna pull straight up, and be careful, like this, it comes out. You see there's these two little clips that hold it in, but just pull straight out, you should be good. And then also, you can adjust this. So you see how this thing connects over here, and this goes through here. So this is where it holds onto the handle. So you can find where you want the handle and reattach it. Just one thing to keep in mind, that there is a top orientation. Loosen like this. And then if you look carefully over here, there's the part that says top. See? You see the word that says top? That's very important. That needs to be at the top. So that's the only thing that's important, is that top part. And we'll be able to install it. So as long as this is the top, like that, we should be good. So we know how everything goes together now. So this is going to go through here, like this. And we'll have this one, and find the right angle for this. So whatever angle works. We can adjust the length of this too. You see how this one, you can adjust the length on how long you want this. There's basically two lengths, but there's a lot of different hooking points. So if it's too short, you can slide this out to where it was before originally, like this. And then you have different attachment. I think we'll need it to be extended over here. So I think that's good right there. We want to use this to close it between the bowl. So we can take this out, and we'll be able to attach this to the bowl. So this one comes out. Now they have this little sleeve. You can use a sleeve if you need to. It'd be nice for us to use the sleeve, I think. There we go. Fits pretty good with the sleeve. If you don't have the sleeve, let's see how well it fits. As long as top is top. Oh, we don't need the sleeve. See, it's a good fit already. As long as you have the top up there, like right there, that's the top. See, notice where the top is. Right there. So top is there, that's good. And then we don't need the sleeve, and then we'll just go ahead and tighten this one in here. It's not the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it's opposite. Alright, so now that's in. So for us, because the way that this needs to pull up to pull the plunger, we can't have the handle this way. So what we're going to do is replace the handle the other way over here. And then this will work for our installation because now you push down and it will lift up like that and it will pull the plunger. So that's how it will work. That's pretty much installed. This is now tight. So the last step is to finalize the length of this. This is probably too short in here. We probably want to extend it out and figure out the right length that we want for this to pull this tab. So now if you notice this chain here, the previous lever, let me pull this chain up first. Okay, so here it is. So the previous lever, we had it over here. So this chain needs to go up a few notch and then we go hook up right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this chain up and you'll see that there is 2 extra notches we can go on top. You see how it's not using these 2 chains? So we can use this chain up here. So we're gonna take this out and carefully use the top chain. You will be running some water here, so if you want to, you can turn off the water, or if you do it really quick, you don't need to. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can slide this up 2 chains to the top. So a little bit tricky, but we're gonna take our time here to pull this out and get the chain up higher. So, wow, this is a stubborn chain. It's kind of stuck to it. So let me see if I can pull it out. Some force here. There we go. And then that's out. Careful, don't drop your chain because if you drop it, it's gonna go down the sewer and then you're screwed. Alright, so we're gonna use this one right here, top one, and latch it in. And then go all the way around, latch it in here. Boom. Now we get the top chain. So now we can probably use this hole right here. Just try it, test it first, see how it works. Is that low enough to close it? Oh, it might not be low enough to close it because the water's still running. We need it lower. We need a handle that's lower. It's not gonna work. No! See, we need to close all the way here. Then it will close, but our handle is too tall. So you see right here, this is really too close for comfort because it's stretching it, and most of the time when you're flushing, this thing doesn't automatically close enough for this thing to close the flap. But there's one more degree of play that you can do. So you see how this is really flat here? So what I can do is I can pull this out, and what I can do is adjust this angle just slightly down here. So now, if this angle is slightly down here, we will have a little bit more play for our tank. So right here, you see how now this is at an angle. Now this flap can close and it can open like that and close like that. So it's perfect now. So now we have open and close. It perfectly closes the toilet. And again, open, flap is open, let go, it closes. There's enough play for it to sit nicely. We're done. The FLUIDMASTER is a universal perfect fit toilet tank lever. Easy install. It's very adjustable, and that's it. Now it's installed. You can put the cover back on and enjoy your toilet. But just for your viewing pleasure, we'll make sure that the water fills up and it stops, and then we can flush one more time and we're good. So you've seen the flush. Now we wait for the water to stop and fill the tank and make sure the plunger keeps it sealed until we're ready to flush. So now everything is sealed, and here we go. We're gonna flush on this side right here and flush. Water goes down, perfect. Now release the handle over here, release the handle, and now it closes the flap and the water fills up the tank and we're good. That's it, we are done. The installation is complete. We have fully fixed our toilet with this awesome flush level, the perfect fit toilet tank leveler. Easy install, right there, all done. Oh yeah, it's good stuff.